Welcome back, boys and girls. This is Miss Molina. I am so happy and so blessed to have you guys. The great thing is that we know each other for the most part. You're in 5th grade now, and it's going to be an amazing year. I wanted to start off by explaining to you guys a Google slide that I have created for you and your parents too, where you're going to be able to visit anytime that you need to get to different resources. If you look here on the shelf, I've got links already made for Imagine Math, Imagine Math Facts, STEM Scopes, Kahoot, my YouTube channel where I'll upload learning videos, and these videos will help you with your lessons. There's also my code here for Twitter. I want you guys to follow me. It's at Molina5th, and you've got your classroom codes for 5th grade math, APA math, 5th grade science, and so anytime you need these codes, they are here for you. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you guys, and we're going to have an amazing school year. See you soon.